Welcome to my YouTube channel Ahsan CodeBytes. My name is Ahsan and in this video we are going to discuss Python casting using Python 3. So, how to specify variable type? There may be times when you want to specify a type on the variable that this can be done with casting. Python is an object-oriented language as you already know, and such it is used classes to define data types including its primitive type. Casting in Python is therefore done using constructor functions. For example, if we talk about integer, constructs an integer number from an integral literal, a float literal by rounding down to previous whole number, or a string literal, providing the string represents a whole number. Let's talk about float. Construct a float number from an integer literal, a float literal, or a string literal, providing the strings represent a float of an integer. Same goes for string as well. So let's go to the coding site. How to implement the Python casting in a how to specify a variable type in Python casting. So let's begin with the integer side. I have already created some of data types for integers, float, and integers, strings, and I have declared three variables, that is x, y, z. Declare integer and the value is 1, y integer value is 2.8, and then y value is string, that is in double quotation. First, I am using casting for this. The syntax is x equals to declare variable and data type is integer, bracket open close, and the value. Now print it out, run. As you can see, the value is in integer form 1, 2, 3, and the right value is 2.83 and its converted value is 123. Now let's talk about float values. How to convert the values into float. Let's suppose we have float value 1 and we have float value 2.8 in a string double quotation 3 and 4.2 in double quotation as well. This simple string, this is float value, this is string, this is also string because it's in double quotation. We have four variables x, y, z, and w. Let's print it out. As you can see, the value is printed out in float format: 4.2, 1.0, 2.8, 3.0, and so on. Okay, let's talk about strings. How to convert data types in strings. First, we have three variables x, y, z, and string s1. As we have in double quotation, so it's also string. We have an integer and we have a float value. So let's convert it. Print w, print x, print y. Let's execute this line, run. As you can see, 4.2, s1, and 2, all values are converted into a string format. So there are some data types and variables, how to cast the data types in a specified variable type. So hope you like this video, and you can easily convert and apply casting in your programs. So do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.